Hello my friends, Happy New Year 2022. Today I am going to customize my first custom designer shoes. Let's go to the video.
Nate Rose, oh yeah, I'm finna pop. Yeah, baby, hit the spot like summer and some dipping dots. Jackpot sound coming at you through a different slot. You can try your luck, but end up missing from a liver shot. Ooh yeah, oh baby, it's my season. Straight up out the water, I'm so well, I'm artesian. Girl in my DM. Every time suspicion hit you, ask about this, she gon' swear that God, she got amnesia. Even if she taken, I might still come for her like my name was Liam Neeson. I don't do no beating around the bush. That's a double.
Okay, let's start customizing shoes. First part is sketching.
Words spill out of your mouth. You wish you were someone else. I miss you, but I know you miss your old self too. Silver once golden. There's only so much holding on. You can't take when your mind's at stake. Oh wait, do what you gotta do.
Part 2, sexy lines.
You gotta do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to put your heart to rest. I'll keep waiting as long as it takes. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you again.
First shoe sexy line is done. Now going to other shoe.
Some things I can't fix, feels heavy on your chest. I wish I could carry the weight all on my back. Colors now faded. There's only so much hoping that I can't do, but I'd rather lose than lose you. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you again. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to put your heart to rest. I'll keep waiting as long as it takes. Do what you gotta do, what you gotta do to be you again.
Done drawing lines. Now time to tape it. Taping time is over. Let's go to painting. Let's use magic trick. Oh yeah, it's worked. Oh, my paints is finished. Now 7 p.m. Let's go buy some paints. Okay guys, I am back. Let's start painting again. Let's try magic effect again. Oh, it's also worked. Okay friends, now finish custom shows. This is my favorite part, on tape. Okay friends, today video is end now. Thanks for watching this video. Watch the final review. Bye.